chapter goes, at the end of the chapter, the student must be able to discuss the language, symbols, and convention of mathematics, explain the nature of mathematics as a language, acknowledge that mathematics is a useful language. Mathematical language is a system used to express, communicate, and share mathematical information, characterized by abstraction, symbols, and rules, the nonlinearity and complexity of language, arrangement, decoding, and coding information, vocabulary of symbols or word grammar consisting of rules on the use of these symbols, communication of people who use understand this symbol, range of meaning can be communicated with these symbols. Math is a universal language. The symbols and organization to form equation are the same in every country of the world. Expression does not state a complete thought. It does not make sense to us if an expression is true or false. In sentence have a verb. In mathematical sentence, 3 plus 4 equals 7. The verb is equal. Example of expression versus sentence. English, Philippine elected corrupt politician. Math, x plus 3 equals y minus 2. Truth of sentences. A number sentences is that an equation is said to be true if both numerical expression evaluate to the same number. Example, 8 is an even number. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 minus 5 equals 1. The square root of 2 is 1. Precise refers how to consistent any given values are with each other. It shows the closeness of the given values or measurements are with each other. Concise, giving a lot of information using only a few words or even symbols. Powerful, it's a capacity to communicate and to create ideas in a way that is generally understandable.
Proposition and symbols. Proposition, a declarative sentence that can be classified as true or false but not both. We have two kinds of proposition. 1. A simple proposition, a proposition that conveys one thought with no connecting words. Example, Secretary Duque is doing a good job in protecting our health workers. And 2. Compound proposition, contains two or more simple propositions that are put together using connective words. Example, Attorney Roque is the best in cracking jokes and Attorney Panela is the most viral legal counsel. We have 5 kinds of compound proposition. 1. Conjunction, two simple propositions connected using the word and. Example, China have Xi Jinping and Philippines have Rodrigo Duterte. Number 2. Disjunction, two simple propositions that are connected using the word or. Example, I will pay the whole bill or I will get a PhilHealth subsidy. Number 3. Conditional, two simple propositions that are connected using the words if and then. Example, if the company is not granted a franchise, then they will not be allowed to air in free TV. 4. Biconditional, conjunction of two conditional statements where the antecedent, premise, and consequent conclusion of the first statement have been switched in the second statement. Example, two sides of a triangle are congruent if and only if the two angles opposite them are congruent. And last is negation. The negation of a given statement is a statement that is false whenever the given statement is true, and the true whenever the given statement is false. Example, Philippines is winning against the COVID-19 pandemic. Negation, Philippines is not winning against the COVID-19 pandemic. Let P represents the proposition Robin plays the piano and Q represents the proposition Tom plays the guitar. As you can see here, I have 5 examples of this topic. Letter A, Robin plays the piano or Tom plays the guitar. And letter B, Robin plays the piano and Tom plays the guitar. And letter C, Robin plays the piano or not Tom plays the guitar. And letter D, not Robin plays the piano or Tom plays the guitar. And letter E, not Robin plays the piano and not Tom plays the guitar. Forms of conditional proposition. Suppose P and Q are propositions. The proposition P conditional Q read as if P then Q is called an implication, P is called premise or hypothesis, and Q is called conclusion. Example, P, I study my modules, and Q, I still don't have an allowance. Pag pinagsama mo itong dalawa, ang kalalabasan ay, if I study my modules, then I still don't have an allowance. Nakuha namin ang ideyang ito kung paano kami mag-report sa klase, at tapos ang plano namin ay hatiin ito sa dalawa at mag-research para maipahayag ng tama sa inyo. At ang challenges na na-encounter namin ay ang hindi namin pagsabay na schedule na paggawa at unstable network. My contribution in this PETA ay ako po yung leader and ako po yung nag-assign sa kagrupo ko na kung ano yung gagawin niya at kung paano niya ito ihahayag sa inyo na maayos. I'm Kimberly Rose B. Mateo from INF228.
Yeah. My contribution is mathematical language, language of components, mathematical universal language, expression versus sentence, truth of sentence. My name is Rachel Lorraine Briones from INF228.